Justin Bieber wrote "Perfect Lockdown" soundtrack with work from home EP. Link in the description. Justin Bieber wrote his second Lockdown compilation, usually Thursday morning, March 26th. The aptly titled "The Work from Home." As promised, Bieber is sticking to it twice, Whitney Tuesday and Thursday's schedule, flowing up Tuesday, thus R and Bieber with a five-track compilation that features four tunes from his Change album, plus the recently released unplugged acoustic version of the Intentions single. The other album tracks on the EP include the title track "Available", "Unleash the Fallout", and the Lil Dicky collaboration "Running Over". Bieber's history, making fifth consecutive No. one solo album on the Billboard 200 was released on the Valentine's Day via Def Jam Recordings.